So I put this grease on, I just go right across it. Sometimes you need to get into a corner, so you put more on the corners, but basically you just get it on there. You don't have to go mad. Like, I've seen people, like when I finished my apprenticeship, there was already a new apprentice, so I was kind of training up my own apprentice before I finished my apprenticeship. He used to just put way too much on, and it's all melting and spitting everywhere. If you've got like molten grease sticking all over your polisher motor, you're putting too much on. Just give it white. Hold on to it tight with my fingertips, facing this way. That's spinning down, yeah, so when you touch it, it's going to be resistance and pull it down, so be ready for that. But if you're your first time using one, just go gently. And then I just move it across. Rotate it a little bit. So I'm polishing like that. Rotate it, rotate it, rotate it. So I'm just going to work all the way around it until like it's uncomfortable. And I turn it around. Do the same coming back the other way. A bit more grease. I mean, silver, so easy to, quick and easy to polish. I mean, it's kind of done. In platinum, I'd be here a lot longer, double checking it's smooth and everything. So I'm going to use the corner now. I've polished it that way. So you can see I've polished it that way, and now if I go across it, it comes up much more of a shine straight away. This is D-section shank, so I'm kind of going around the side at an angle, not just going straight on top. There's a lot of things I'll do naturally, so I have to kind of think, watch myself doing it, and then explain. So yeah, you can see I'm hitting that way, and now I'm going at an angle, just because it's got that curve on the top of it. Just keep the piece moving all the time when it's on the being polished. Now, you've got nice flat sides there, so where's my disc? A bit of polish on that. Holding this, just there's no tilting or nothing, you just hold it on the side and just move it. So I put it flat to it and then sort of drag it off. And this motor's got no torque. Very easy to stop it. See that? Got showing up. A bit of shine on it already. Both sides. It cuts quite a lot, so be careful. If you've got like a head of a ring, when you're doing the side of the shank, don't bang the head of the ring into that corner, because you may mark it, put a little dip in it. That would be bad news. So what we've done, let's do the inside now. Basically, you don't move on to any other polishing until you've done every part of the ring with your grease first. You're just doing all the greasing first. You don't like do that, then rouge it, and then go back to that to do the inside. That'd be a bit kind of silly. Finger felts, just do that, just wipe it across. You don't have to put loads on. Obviously, make sure you've got it holding it really securely in your fingertips. Be careful with this. And now what I'm doing is I'm rotating it around like that. Just making sure I'm getting every part of the ring inside polished. And then also I will hold it in position, then I'll hold the ring, slide it up and down, while simultaneously going around it. Then I'll turn the ring round, see that? And then do it again. Looking at it, just making sure you're actually polishing it. Okay, so that's the outside, the sides, and the inside done.